Hello, this is James Smith at GANanalysis.net. Today I want to tell you about silver, the September contract, with the weekly cloud. So if you're not familiar with the cloud, you can Google it. Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is the Japanese name for it, but a lot of people just know it as the cloud. And it's just a series of displaced moving averages, and where they form a shaded area, that's the cloud. So I'm not going to get into an explanation of the cloud. You can read up on it. But one thing I want to show you, which you might not know, is kind of interesting. Anytime the upper band or the lower band form sort of a straight line, a flat area, you know that that is a 50% retracement of a prior swing. So, for example, if we're looking at this flat edge here, it's a 50% retracement from this high to this low. That's the swing, and that's where you get that 50% retracement. Or if you look at this larger swing from this high and this low, you can see this flat area, the lower band, is a 50% retracement at 20.77. Or let's see if we could do one more. If you do this one, this low here, oops, it looks like it slipped a little bit. Okay, catching this low and this high, you can see right here the lower band is even with the 50% mark. So I just wanted to show you, it's sort of a novelty that you can do this. And you can see anytime you see this flat edge, you know it's a 50% retracement of some prior swing, and you can just draw, you can do a retracement and find out which swing it is. But it's useful because, as you know from studying GAN, the 50% retracement is the most important retracement. So, for example, this breakout above the cloud is bullish, but then you come back and find support on a 50% retracement. Sometimes you will see a big move up. Down here, if you look at this breakout above this cloud here, it comes back, finds support at the upper band of the cloud. That set up this huge rally. So I'm not saying that that was a 50% mark. I'm saying that that was interesting because it found support at the upper band, setting up this big move up. It may not happen this time, but it's possible. In any case, you know where your stop loss should be. If you're trading this, it would be right below the cloud. But so the market can do whatever it wants. Silver could go up, it could go down. If it does something like this, then it's getting ready for a big move up. But, just to forewarn you, look, it broke out here, looked like it was starting to move, and then boom, it just fell below the cloud, gave you a gut-wrenching slide before you had the big move up. So, you can use your cloud as a stop loss. If you get above it, you don't really want to see it get back below the cloud. If it does, you should be out of the trade because, you can have this huge sell-off. If it gets above it, finds support on it, sometimes that sets up a big move up. So I'm calling this to your attention now because we've had the breakout above the cloud. We came back, found support at the upper band of the cloud, which is also a 50% retracement of a prior swing, setting up a big move up. Or at least in theory, that could be what happens. But again, never trade without a stop loss. Always be ready to get out of a losing trade quickly because you can always be wrong. But if you find this interesting, register to my website, www.gananalysis.net. You get a few free reports, and you'll be on a list to receive videos like this one. Not everything hits YouTube. Sometimes I just send it to people who are registered as to my website. So if you find this interesting, you can get more by registering to the website. And if you really get hooked on it, hey, maybe you want to subscribe to the service. That's your choice. But for now, I just wanted to show you a simple example. Silver breaking out, coming back, finding support on the upper band of the weekly cloud, which is also a 50% mark. In theory, this might be a good trade. It might be setting up for a big move up. Now, I would have more to say about this in my my GAN report on silver. There's a lot more analysis we could do than what we've done here. But this is just give you a quick taste of the cloud and also the 50% retracement that you know from GAN. Good luck in your trading. I hope this has been helpful. Again, don't forget the website. If you want to register, you can get a few free reports, and you'll learn something on GAN.